welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. Our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can by providing free videos that will teach you how to fix your car. Like today we'll be working on this Ford Focus MK3. This one is the third generation from 2012 to 2018, and what we'll be doing now, we'll show you if your power central locking doesn't work with the key or inside from the car button. We'll show you which two fuses to check for that, guys. Okay, that's something very important to do. In the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car. Videos will be coming all the time, so please guys, please subscribe for all the work that we do here at the shop. So let me show you now. The fuse is located on the passenger side behind the glove box. Okay, and here is your central locking button as well, and if it doesn't work, we'll show you what to check. So probably you notice that our glove box is missing, but you do not have to remove yours. The only reason we did it so we can show you better where all the fuses are located. All you have to do, that cover will need to be removed by pulling those two plastic pieces out, squish on both places, pull it down, remove the carpet liner. That's where, guys, okay, your fuses are located, as you can see, right there. So, if you notice the fuses, there is a number next to the top right corner of the fuse. This is the fuse number that we need to check now. And the first one to do for the central locking is fuse number 70. Okay, fuse number 70. So, it will be this fuse, okay, right here. The fourth one from top to bottom, the second row left to right. Now, okay, perfect. Now I'll replace it with a new one. You can find the replacement ones in the description of the video below, guys. A really good deal on those fuses, so hopefully the video will be helpful and save you some money on that as well. Ours is a 20 amp fuse, so now we need to find a 20 amp fuse, yellow again. So we'll just get one, okay, and replace it now. Fuse number 70. Perfect. The second fuse that could be for the central locking is fuse number 83. Okay, this one right here. Okay, this is 83. And I just checked ours. It's hard to show in the camera, but it looks good. It's not burned. Most of the time you can tell if a fuse is burned. If not, check out the video on our channel that will explain how to test them. Super easy procedure, so you can tell if the fuse is burned or not. Push them in, install your cover later here, guys, and this will be the whole video. Hopefully it will save you some money, some trouble. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time.